So hey everyone, welcome to my channel to the placement series. Here we will discuss the five top most important question of digit and number manipulation which we ask in TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, Mindtree, Capgemini. So let's solve our first question. Replace every digit 3 with 3s and digit 4 with 4s in numbers from 1 to 100. So the question is saying that we have to replace the 3 as a 3s and digit 4 with a 4s in a number from 1 to 100. This question asks in TCS and Infosys. Suppose we have a number 13, then what we have to do? We have to print it as a 1 3s. And suppose we have a number 34, then what we have to do? We have to print a 3s and 4s. So let's solve this question. So first of all, let me create the main function uh, for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 100, sorry, is less than equal to 100, I plus. So here just I have to call the function. Let's say the function name is function I. Now let's create the function. I will take void function, void with a mistake. Here will be the number which we call. Now, see what will be the approach. The approach will be when I choose here the number and then here the function will call it. And when it's function call, then it came in the function here, the main function. Now, sorry, in the function where we create our logic. So here, what will happen? First, I will convert that number into a string. So let's convert it. Let's take a string, suppose s, and we convert it our number in string n. Now I have to traverse it through the string so that we can check every digit whether it will be 3 or 4, and then we can print it. So let's do it for char ch s. If ch equal to 3, then we have to print 3s. Else if ch equal to 4, then we have to print 4s, else we just print the ch. Okay, now here I will use the endl keyword so that it will print a new line. So let's check. See, here our output came 1 2 on the place of 3 3s, on the place of 4 4s, and so here 13 on the place of 3 3s, here 1 4s. So see how it is working. Now came to the 33. There see, on the place of 3s, on the place of 3 there is 3s, and again 3s. So this is the how this logic work, and this is the program. Now let's on the second question. Second question is saying the print sum of digits of a number excluding 3 and 7. So we have to given a number, and we have to print the sum of the number, but we have to exclude the 3 and 7. This question was asked in Cognizant. So let's solve this question. So first of all, let's edit our main function. Here we will take and we will take the user input c in n. Uh, Now let's create first a function, then further we will do it. So here again we will convert the in a string so that we can check each digit. or we can say, or we can do it another method. Let's do with another method, so dividing it without using a string. Uh, so first, let we while n, until n will be present, we will do it. So let's take a, digit, and a digit is equal to n. Here, which we took a single digit and check it. If uh, digit equal to, see what was the exclude 3 and 7. If digit equal to uh, first here take an teaser and is sum equal to 0. Now check if digit is not equal to 3, and digit not equal to 5. Okay, let's check again. 3 is, and sorry, 3 and 7. If digit is not equal to 3 and digit not equal to 7, then we will just sum. Sum is equal to sum plus digit. So this is simple logic. And then we will n divide it n equal to 10. And then we print here the cout sum. Seeing now here just we will call the function. The function is function n. Let's check that it is working. Let's create here cout, enter the number. N is equal to n divided by 10 in percentage. I think there is some. Let's do it in another. See, enter the number. Suppose I enter uh, 5, 6, 7. Then it is giving 11. Means it excludes the 3. Okay. Let's check another. Mm, we have to exclude 3 and 7. So let's see 1, 2, 3, 7. So our output should be 3. Uh, so let's check. Yes, 3 is coming. So means this is the program. Our program is running well. So now come to the next question. That is our third question. So check if a number has only even digits. Okay. So this is again a very simple question. We have to check whether the number is only even digit, and it is the medium question that was asked in Wipro and LTI Mindtree. So let's solve this question. Again, our main function will be same. Uh, just check here. See here again. There is no need of sum. We need here bool function because we have to check bool, and here again I am taking digit. Let's change this only this thing. If digit percentage 2 digit percent 2 equal to 0. If it came equal to 0 means it there is a even digit present, so we just return false. And here n equal to n by 2 means if it divided, then it again it just shorten the number. Here if this if there will be no any even digit number present, then we will return true. Now here we just change the logic here. If function n means if there will be true, we just print cout uh, no even In the question, just check what will check if a number has only even digits. Okay, sorry. So if only, so it's only even digit present is see out uh, not only even digit present. Let's check here logic. If digit percentage 2 is not equal to, if digit percentage 2 equal to 0, then it's digit percent 2 is not equal to here you, because yes, okay. Now let's check. Enter the number. Let's check 1, 2, 3. So here the odd digit percent. Let's see what you're giving. 1, 2, 3. Not only even digit percent. Now check only for even digits. 3, 2, 4, 6. Only even digit percent. So again our code is working properly. So now let's come to the next question. That is our fourth question. Count. How many times digit 5 appears between 1 to 1000? So this is the question where we have to generally count the digit. How many times 5 appears between 1 to 1000? And this question was asked in TCS and Capgemini. So let's check. Let's solve this question. Basically, let's first understand what this question want to say. Suppose there is a 55, then there is a two digit, two digits. Suppose there is a 5, then one digit. So all every each and every digit, every time 5 appears, we have to count that digits and then give the total number of times it appears. So let's solve. Uh, let's first main function we have put it. For 90 I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 1000, I plus. So let's first create this. Come to the int. Here this time I will make the integer type data function. So let's see the approach. So again use the same thing. We will use the same logic. And this is equal to, first we take a single digit and check whether digit equal to 5, digit equal to 5. If yes, then we will count plus, and here I will initialize int count equal to 0. Now here I will return the count. Now each time it number it call the function, it will go and count the 5 and it will return the count. Now here I will take another int m count and it will be 0. Now uh, I will sorry, let's take the count and here I will update it count equal to count plus, call the function I. Now each time suppose there will be 55, suppose 15, if 15k goes here and run the logic and return, then it will came here and add the how many count, and again this function call for another. So that's how there will be function logic work, and then I will print the count. Let's see how it is working. So the 300 is came. So let's check whether it is working right or not. See the number of digits, number of digit of 5 from 1 to 1000. So let's see what coming. See here the total number of digits from 1 to 1000. So it is came 300. So let's see that our code is working properly. If you want to see again, uh, see that the logic. This is here I take count 0, and when count here I when a function call, then one at a time it logic work and return the count, and then it came here and add to the previous one. So that's how the our logic work, and here 300 came. So now let's see the another question. Print all number from 1 to 100 which do not contain the digit 9. So we have to print the number which do not contain the digit 9. Again, this question was asked in Wipro, and this is a medium level question. So let's see how this question works. So we have to print 1 to 100 which does not contain the digit 9. Let's game again. See. Again here it will be for 100. Edit this. Uh, See here, I will use the same logic. See, every question had nearly the same logic using. Only we use the we have to edit the basic things. So again, we will find the digit n digit and check whether will be 9. So if digit equal to 9, so here we will false, return false, and here we use the bool. Goal. And if there will be no digit 9%, then it will return true. Now came here and see what we have to done. We have checked if function if function I is true means 9 is not present. Then we will just see out, print the see out I, and then del. Let me remove this. Okay, let's run the code. See. Our code printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 9 is absent. 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19 again absent because here 9%. And C here in the 90 series. C after 78, 79 absent because 9%, 80, 80, 81, 85, 87, 88, 88, 89 absent, and the series of 90 is also absent. So see how this code is working. So here was the five question which was asked in TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, Mindtree, Capgemini. These are the five questions. In this next video, I will solve another five question which was asked in these companies. So if you like the uh, video, just subscribe the channel so that I can bring more such video. Thank you.